I gotta share this story with you real quick, because this is some funny shit. Check this out. So I go into this place all the time, and I see this lady at the desk. I go in, speak to her. Hey, how you doing? You know, pick up my stuff that I'm getting or whatever. Different packages that I got coming in, and I leave. So after seeing a person for say a year, I've been seeing this lady. She speak to me, I speak to her. You know, so one day my wife go in there. She go pick up some packages for me. So my wife ain't never been in there. So when she go in there, she said, "Hey, I'm Coffee. Can you come pick up Phoenix packages?" Oh, okay, no problem. She gave them to him, spoke to her. They had a conversation. She left. My wife brought me the packages. She never said anything about it. Upside down. So I guess probably a couple weeks passed. I end up going down there. Evidently, she been anticipating the moment to see me again. So I go in. She almost jumped across the desk. Phoenix, hey. I'm like, hey, what's going on? She was like, hey, I got a chance to meet your wife. I'm like, yeah, that's cool. Appreciate it. She was like, man, she is so cool and down to earth. And I was like, yeah, she is. I said, appreciate it. She was like, can I be honest with you? I said, yeah, what's going on? She was like, I thought you had a big booty Judy. I said, what? She was like, I don't know why. I just thought you just had one of those nice, real thick women. Woo, woo. And then she come in all petite and nice and calm. And I'm like, it just threw me for a loop. I couldn't wait to see you. Oh, God.